Okay? So, lupad, fly. Palit, buy. Gunit, hold. Himo, make or create. Tuon, study. Abli or abri, open. Bayad, pay. Butang, put. Sakay, ride. Alsa, lift. Kanta, sing. Tulog, sleep. Tudlo, teach. Baligya, sell. Gakos, hug. Biya, leave. Biyahe, travel. Buak, break. Putol, cut. Hiwa, slice.